Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer insights with HubSpot CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To increase customer insights using HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your current metrics. Familiarize yourself with the Contacts tab, which holds valuable customer data. Import your existing customer information into HubSpot using the Import feature. Ensure that all relevant fields, such as contact names, emails, and company details, are included in the import. Once imported, organize your contacts using filters to segment them by demographics or behavior. Utilize the Properties settings to create custom fields that reflect your specific needs. Take advantage of HubSpot's pipeline management tools to track customer interactions throughout their journey. Review deal stages to understand where customers are in the sales process. Enable the Notes and Activities features to log interactions with customers for better context. Leverage the Reporting dashboard to analyze customer data for actionable insights. Create and customize reports that focus on key performance indicators relevant to your business goals. Use the Automated Task feature to set reminders for follow-up actions on customer engagements. Integrate HubSpot with your marketing tools to gather comprehensive data across platforms. Explore the Feedback tool to gather customer opinions directly, enhancing your insights. Regularly review and update your contact records to maintain current and accurate information. Encourage team collaboration by sharing insights and reports with your colleagues. Make use of HubSpot's Training and Resources section to stay updated on new features. Continue to refine your approach by analyzing what data points yield the most valuable insights. By consistently utilizing these features, you will enhance your understanding of customer needs and improve overall engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.